How is poop made?
Let's check out Michael's digestive system and see what's wrong. First stop, the mouth.
All this chewing's making me dizzy.
Chewing is a very important step in food digestion, Bobo. Look at how Michael's teeth are crushing the biscuit, and it is much smaller than it was. After the food is broken down into smaller pieces, the ball of food can easily travel down the esophagus to our stomach. This first step of food processing, which we swallow food and drinks, is called ingestion. The transparent liquid is called saliva. It helps wet our food so that it's easier to swallow. We're going to be traveling down the esophagus and get into the stomach. Hang on tight!
Whoa! That felt like being squeezed out from a toothpaste.
Yes, Bobo. The esophagus got muscles that contract involuntarily to push the food down. It also connects our mouth to the next location, the stomach.
Oh no! More shaking!
Yes, the stomach muscles contract and turn the food into even smaller pieces. But not only that, look at the biscuit, Bobo.
It looks like it's dissolving. What's happening?
Our stomach contains hydrochloric acid, an extremely strong acid that breaks down food chemically and kills most of the germs that may be present in our food. The second step of food processing, in which we break down food into smaller pieces, is called digestion.
Whoa! What are those, Nixon? They look like fingers. Ugh.
Yes, Bobo. We are now in the small intestine, and those finger-like projections are called villi. The main role of the small intestine is to absorb the nutrients from our food that are digested by the enzymes in our saliva and the stomach just before. The third step of food processing is called absorption.
Hold on a second. How long have we been in the small intestine for? I thought it was meant to be the small intestine.
Yes, Bobo. The small intestine is super long. It's around 7 meters long and is looped and packed in a very confined space. Look, we're almost at the end. There's nothing wrong with Michael's small intestine. Whew. Let's get to the next stop, the large intestine.
Whoa! The large intestine is a lot wider than the small intestine.
Great observation, Bobo. The large intestine mainly absorbs excess water and produces poop.
What's in the poop? And why is it so stinky?
Haha! Poop is mostly undigested food, bacteria, and other substances that are released by the intestines. Usually, it is the bacteria in the poop that makes it smelly. An important way to ensure your digestive system stays healthy is by drinking plenty of water. If you don't drink enough water, it will be much harder to get your poop out.
And then we poop?
Not yet, Bobo. The poop is stored in the lower end of the large intestine, called the rectum. Look at how the excess water is absorbed from the biscuit, and it is now ready to be ingested from the body. The final step of food processing, which we excrete poop from our body, is called elimination.
Thanks for watching. Want to explore more of the human body with Bobo? Sign up now and get started with a free trial. See you soon!